Subsequent process costing is a cost accounting method used in production systems where the manufacturing process is continuous and carried out in sequential stages or departments. Each stage of production results in semi-finished products, which are then transferred to the next stage for further processing until the final product is completed. In this method, production costs are accumulated and averaged within each process or department over a specific period. The main objective of the subsequent process costing method is to systematically determine production costs at each stage of the process so that the total cost to produce finished goods can be accurately calculated. This is particularly important in industries that produce large volumes of standardized products in a continuous flow. Additionally, the method helps companies evaluate the efficiency of each production department and control costs at every process level. Cost components in subsequent process costing consist of three main elements: direct material costs, direct labor costs, and factory overhead costs. These costs are collected within each department or process and then assigned to the units processed, typically by averaging. When there are work-in-process items at the beginning or end of a period, companies may use methods such as the weighted average method or the FIFO method to calculate accurate cost per unit. The calculation process begins by recording costs incurred in each department. Semi-finished goods that are not completed in one department are transferred to the next as work in progress or intermediate products. After all stages are completed, the total costs from each process are summed to determine the total cost of the finished product. Transferring costs between departments is crucial to ensure the accuracy of the overall cost calculation. This method is commonly used by manufacturing companies that produce goods in large quantities and with uniform characteristics, such as those in the food and beverage, textile, chemical, cement, and oil industries. Since the production process is continuous and standardized, cost recording by process is more efficient than job order costing in such environments. The advantages of subsequent process costing include ease of calculating production cost per unit due to the uniformity and continuity of production. It also provides a comprehensive overview of costs at each production stage, making it easier to analyze departmental efficiency. However, one of the drawbacks is the difficulty in tracking costs associated with individual units, and if there are losses or defects during the process, the per unit cost may increase.